So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you 3 reasons why Nivea body lotion makes you darker and how to fix it. Now, I took a survey on people, a lot of people that I know that use Nivea body lotion, that it works for them. Okay, I asked them certain questions, and from the answers they gave me, that is where I have derived these 3 reasons from and also gotten exactly how to fix it. I have also used Nivea body lotion, and I have also added my own experience to the things I am going to be telling you in this video. This video is going to be very helpful. It is going to be very insightful, especially for those that have been struggling to use Nivea body lotion and it keeps getting you dark. It used to be me back in the days. I tried using Nivea body lotion when I was running from skin damage, when I didn't want to bleach my skin, but I wanted to have a very good skin. Do you get? But it was not working, but it was working for other people. I have seen what causes it, and that is what I want to tell you that is also struggling to have a beautiful complexion, to maintain and enhance your natural complexion without damaging your skin or without bleaching. Okay, yes, so that's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. You are going to do me a favor, and that is to like this video, to leave a comment, and also to share this video, because trust me, a lot of people are going through this same skin condition and they are relying on you to share this video to them. So reason number 1, 3 reasons why Nivea body lotion gets you darker and how to fix it. Number 1, how long have you been using that Nivea body lotion? How long have you been using it? Now, after my research, after my survey, after asking a lot of people questions, there is one conclusion I came to. Nivea is not a body lotion that you are going to use when you want to brighten your skin sharp, 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 sharp. Do you get it? Nivea is a body lotion that takes time to work. Nivea works, especially these newer ones now. They work, but they are not. Nivea body lotion is not a body lotion you want to brighten your skin. Let's say as we're in November and you want your skin to glow by December, you go and buy Nivea body lotion today and you have not been using Nivea body lotion before. No, you are not going to get results. Trust me, everybody that I have seen that has a very beautiful skin, that their skin is nice, their skin is supple, their natural complexion is enhanced, whether fair skin or caramel skin, they have been using Nivea body lotion for a long time. Nivea body lotion is not for people in a hurry to see results. Nivea is a brand, a product that is, I think they made their products to be in your life forever, for a long time. So for you to get that brightening effect from Nivea products, you need to have used it for months, if not years. Because this is the first thing Nivea does. From my own personal experience, if you are someone that has been using a lightening body lotion in the past, and then now you say, oh, I don't want to use lightening body lotion again, I want to go into using moisturizer, something safe, to enhance my natural skin complexion. Do you know what Nivea will do to you? Nivea is going to take you back to where you are coming from. It's going to take you back. You are going to get darker. Now, this is not necessarily Nivea doing it. This is your skin reacting, because you have trained your skin to be used to some type of strong lightening, strong brightening ingredients in the past. Now, when you start using Nivea body lotion, that doesn't have those strong, super active, skin damaging ingredients in high quantity or in high percentage, your skin is going to react. Now, this is where the problem is. A lot of people do not have the patience to wait for Nivea body lotion to work for you. You need to use it for a long time. I have a friend who has been using Nivea body lotion from secondary school till now. That's over 15 years. She has just been using Nivea body lotion. But if you see her skin, her skin is sweet. She has this very beautiful fair skin, very clean, no dots, no stretch marks, no nothing. All she uses is Nivea. Now, you are going to see someone like that and ask her, oh, what do you use? She's going to tell you, oh, I use Nivea body lotion. And you're going to rush and go and buy Nivea body lotion and expect to get the results that she has built over 15 years. It is not going to work. This is one thing that I have noticed from everybody that I see that use Nivea products and it is good on their skin. It is that they have used Nivea products for a very, very, very long time. So now their skin have gotten used to this mild brightening. Our skin is like a child that you teach and unteach. Our skin learns and unlearns. Anything you start doing, it starts learning. But the issue is that you are not allowing your skin to finish learning one particular product. You say, it's not working. Oh. I'm dark. I can't stand this. People are asking me, why am I dark? You are going to stop it and jump to another lotion, which your skin is going to start learning again. And the bad part of it is that the tendency that lotion you are going to jump into in that mind frame that you are is going to be a bleaching or a super lightening product, which you are going to use in 3 days, in 1 week. I say, hey, now my skin is popping. Do you understand? So for Nivea body lotion to work for you, you have to remove desperacy. Is that even a word? I don't know. But you just shouldn't be desperate when you want to use Nivea body lotion. Do not be desperate for results. Just buy it and be using it. Over time, it is going to work for you. Okay? So that is reason number 1. Remember to like this video at this point. Thank you. 3 reasons why Nivea body lotion is getting you darker and how to fix it. Reason number 2. Now, reason number 2 is Nivea as a product or their formulation. What I have noticed personally is Nivea doesn't work well without sunscreen or without adequate sun protection. Let me say it like that. Now, Nivea works very well for people that are always indoors. If you are a mom, you are not working, you are always at home. If you are a student, you are usually in your classroom or in your hostel, Nivea is going to work for you. Nivea is not going to work for you if you're a market woman. You are going to get dark no matter what you use, unless you are very, 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 very religious with your sunscreen. Do you understand? If Nivea does not work with sun, this one happened to me personally. It does not work well with sun. It only works well with sun for people, just like I said, that have used Nivea for years and the complexion they have gotten to have become their permanent skin complexion. Okay, the complexion they have become like their natural skin complexion over the years. So when they now get exposed to the sun, they are not going to get darker ASAP. But if you just started using Nivea and you are an outgoing person, you are always outside, it's not going to work. You're going to get darker. So just know that as you're buying your Nivea body lotion, buy a body sunscreen alongside with it. If you are just starting out used to use Nivea body lotion and you're an outgoing person, get a sunscreen with it. It is really going to help to enhance the results you are going to get from the Nivea products you are going to get. Now, another quick tip I want to drop in this particular one is, if you want to use Nivea like these recent ones, try to get the ones that have vitamin C. Try to use the ones that have Q10. Okay, try to use the ones that have a lot of hydrating ingredients in them. Okay, there are ones that are just like oil based, like the Nivea cocoa butter, like the Nivea avocado, the one that has avocado oil. Those ones, to me, I feel they are just for very dark people or for treatment purposes, especially if you're a fair person. If you're a fair person and you want to use Nivea body lotion, go for the ones that have vitamin C, Q10, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and all of those things. Okay, yes, don't go for the ones that are plain. If you go for the ones that are plain, it is going to get you darker. Even with your sunscreen, it is going to get you darker, because there is nothing really helping you with your melanin production. Because as an African melanin rich skin, our melanin can be triggered by a lot of things. Even if you don't get into the sun, you can be indoors and be getting darker. It is not only sun exposure that gets you darker. Okay, you can be indoors and you are stressed, and your stress hormone kicks up. It can trigger your melanin to increase its production. Okay, so it can be marital issues, it can be relationship issues, it can be life issues in general. These things can trigger your hormones, which can affect your melanin production. So you can even be indoors and be getting darker. So when you are choosing a Nivea body lotion, make sure you are choosing the right type of Nivea body lotion to use. This is very, very necessary and very important to note. Now, the third reason why Nivea body lotion is getting you darker and how to fix it is you are pairing your Nivea body product with the wrong product. Now, when you are using Nivea body lotion, you need to pair it with the right products. What are the right products to use Nivea body lotions with? Use Nivea body lotion with a brightening soap. Use Nivea body lotion with a brightening body oil. Use Nivea body lotion with a brightening body scrub. Okay, when you pair these 3 things together, you are going to get a very good result. Nivea body lotion, brightening oil, brightening soap, and a brightening scrub. That's 4 products. You need to exfoliate your skin. Nivea or skincare generally, there are some products you are going to be using. You are going to need to really prioritize exfoliating your skin, because if you don't exfoliate your skin, you are not going to really see the results that the body lotion has to offer. And Nivea body lotion is one of those lotions that you need to really prioritize exfoliating. Okay, either using exfoliating body scrub like physical scrubs, or using chemical scrubs. It is very important, and also use them with a brightening oil to enhance and supercharge its effectiveness on your skin. So these are the 3 reasons. Overall, of these 3 reasons is using Nivea body lotion for a very long time, and not using Nivea when you want sharp results. If your aim is to brighten your skin fast, remove Nivea from the list. It is not there, especially for melanin rich skin. If especially for those of you that pride yourself as you have tough skin, remove Nivea from the list. It is not going to brighten your skin, no matter the soap and the oil you are going to use it with. It's not going to brighten your skin fast. You need to use it for months before you are going to start to see results. Now, mind you, some people have good skin. Now, some people, the people that have good skin, when they start using a product, even Vaseline petroleum jelly, if they use Vaseline petroleum jelly, their skin is going to glow. Those people are God's special people, and they are not so much. Okay, so do not judge your skin based off of these people. But this person is using it and it's working. But my friend is using Nivea. She started using it last month and it's working for her. Why is it not working for me? You are not your friend. Your skin is not your friend's skin. There are different things that build up how our skin reacts, and that is not what we are talking about today. Okay, so just know that your skin is different. Your skin reacts differently, and your skin ask you of different things from your friend, from your sister, from your brother, even from your mother and your father. Okay, because all of you are different people, even if you are binded by blood and DNA and all of those things. Your skin and how you treat it and what you eat and blah 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 all matter differently to different individuals. So these are the 3 reasons why these are the 3 reasons I have figured out which the most important one is longevity. Use Nivea products for a long time. It is going to work for you. This has never failed. This has never failed. Use Nivea body lotion for a long time, and you are absolutely going to love how your skin is going to look on the long run. When I mean long run, I don't mean 2 months. When I mean long run, I don't mean 6 months. Use it. Just put your mind and say, I just want to be using Nivea. I don't care how the result is going to show up, but I just want to be using Nivea. 1 year, 2 years, you're going to love the result you're going to get. Just make sure you're pairing it with the right oil, with the right lotion, with the right body scrub, and also get your diet in check. Diet is skincare. No matter the lotion you are using, your diet is very important for your skin to glow, for your skin to remain radiant, for your skin to remain youthful, and also help you to stay younger. Okay, so that's what I have for you in today's video. I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comment section which Nivea body lotion you are using, the soap, the oil, the scrub you are using with it, and also just ask your questions, leave your contributions. Or if you're someone that has been using Nivea body lotion that has been working for you, please share. What are you using it with? What's your combination? We are all reading in the comment section to learn from you. This channel I share, and I also love to hear back from you. Okay, we're a community of people that love to glow on a budget and also glow safely. Thank you for joining me on today's one. I'm going to see you on our next one. Remember to subscribe, share, and like this video. Bye.